So in yesterday's session, right, we discussed about what is, manufacturing and how many types of manufacturing it will support. And we discussed about what is plant manufacturing plant and what are the master data and we have to configure. And we discussed about, um, it's just like, right, naming, right, difference, right, naming convention got changed when compared to EBS, right? So those details in detail we discussed, right? What is work center, what is work definition, all those details. And also we discussed about somebody asked about mobile application. Who asked yesterday about mobile application?
Yeah, it's me actually, Venkat.
Venkat. Okay. Okay. Just to show you, right? I thought I forgot to show you how it's looked like yesterday. But anyway, let me log into application just to show you. But anyway, let's see. But that is just recently introduced. So if you, I will go through this application um, in detail. But here my intention is just to show you. So if you go to inventory, here you will find two options. You can see inventory management mobiles. So this inventory management is nothing but a normal application. You can go and write all options, huge options are available in inventory. You can perform all the options. So for example, if I go to task list, right, what are the business tasks, you can see lot of things are available. But at the same time, if you go back to mobile inventory, right, so this is the mobile inventory desktop version. Similarly, if you install the app, right, in your mobile, same look and feel, everything look and feel will be same in your app also. So if you go to mobile inventory, inventory new, you can see only these are the options available. Even shipping the goods, they introduced, I think, this version onwards. So like that, slowly, right, they are uh, introducing all the functionalities. Hopefully, maybe within 2025, we may get all the features in mobile inventory, including barcode scanning, everything. Okay. And coming to mobile application of manufacturing, right? Yes, for manufacturing, we have separate mobile application. But unfortunately, that mobile application, right, app is going to end date maybe I think in 2025. My guess is why they are end dating is they are going to including, right, that mobile application here itself. That is my guess only. I don't know what is their Oracle future plan. But at present, yes, we have for manufacturing mobile application is available. If you go to Play Store or maybe right Apple Store, if you search with Oracle Cloud Manufacturing, right, you will find mobile application. Okay. Anyway,
Thank you.
Is there any particular role has to be assigned, or it comes as a default?
we will come to know today what are the roles. Even for mobile application, we need
For mobile
privileges. I will go through those information.
So when you say mobile application, is this Oracle built or is it a third party? The
No,
DSIs are smart
no,
and all
it's
that.
Oracle one. Oracle product.
Oracle built, okay.
Oracle product. Okay. Let me log out this. I will give you more details about these pages, right? We will call it as a redwood. You will come to know maybe after some time. Now Oracle is upgrading look and feel, not your functionality won't change, just your form, right? Pages look and feel is going to upgrading. Anyway, we will discuss. Fine. So on that note, let's start today's our session. So yesterday we discussed about manufacturing and corresponding capabilities. Of course, all the key capabilities yesterday we discussed in detail. All these things we are going to see in application also. But on top of that one, right, we are having a lot of other capabilities. We will discuss everything. Then this, right, manufacturing, I think I started recording that. Yes, okay. So this manufacturing, right, it is integrated as it is a Oracle product, right? Oracle having multiple products, right? Inventory, PIM, everything. So this manufacturing is integrated with other modules also. Obviously, right? Why? Because if, for example, if we take, right, product model. So to manufacturing your finished goods, right? Or maybe raw material required to produce a finished goods, item must be available in your application. Where you will configure the application, where you will configure your item structure, nothing but a bill of material. That one you will do in product model, PIM. Here in EBS, generally will configure in inventory, right? But here we are having separate module called PIM, product information management product model. There you will configure your items, item structure, and item lead times. Everything you will configure in product model that is internally integrated with your manufacturing module. So that means all the items will get fetched from PIM to manufacturing, right? Manufacturing. Similarly, if you implemented planning central, yes, system your planning, it will consider your supply and demand based on your demand, right? Forecasting system will initiate work orders from manufacturing to once you release your plan, it will create a work order in manufacturing. And also quality management also it is integrated with manufacturing. Why? Because once you produce your finished product or maybe in each and every operation also. So in to produce, let's assume laptop, yesterday we discussed, right? 3 operations we have to perform. Either you can do quality check at the end of each and every operation, or maybe I can end of the once my product got completed, then I will do the quality check. So once you finish your product completion, it will go for as per your predefined quality inspection details. Yes, we will perform the inspection. Whatever may be accepted quantity, you will transfer to finished sub inventory. Whatever may be your quality team rejected, it may go to again as a rework work order. We will see what is rework. Rework means you have to work again. You have to do. That means that problem on that item, maybe some problem is there. You have to rework on that one. Those type of orders we will call it as a rework work order. Or maybe it is completely damaged. Let's assume, right? Maybe it will go as a scrap. It will go as a scrap. And also it is integrated with your purchasing. Why? Because once let's assume if you are procuring the material from supplier, right? Or maybe you are using OSP, outside processing. Then what it means is I will perform almost 10 to 20 operations in my warehouse only, in my plant, but 1 or 2 operations I will give to my suppliers. So that means what? I am procuring the services from suppliers. So in that case, what will happen? Whatever services you are procuring as part of your production, those services system will create as a purchase orders in purchasing application. And also it is integrated with supply chain orchestration. Basically, this is we will call it as a SCO, supply chain orchestration SCO. It is responsible. It will get the data from your planning engine or maybe other upstream modules, and corresponding downstream documents will create. That means if you created suppose B2B sales order, your sales order will get created as a supply order in SCO. That supply order it will get converted as a work order in your manufacturing plant. We will see all these things we are going to discuss. And also it is integrated with inventory. Suppose, right, in inventory you are going to maintaining your on-hand quantity, lot number, serial numbers, or maybe what is this raw material is available in inventory, right? So you have to transfer that raw material to your shop floor. At the same time, once finished product is ready, again you have to send back that finished good to your inventory where you are placing your finished sub inventory. And also it will be integrated with the receipt. Anyway, as you are procuring services, you have to receive the material, right? So it is integrated with your receipts. And also if you implemented assets, right? Yes, asset module also will integrate. And the end of the day, whatever may be transactions you performed in manufacturing, it has to fit to costing to calculate your cost of an item. So that as per cost of an item, maybe laptop cost is right. Let's assume $100. So on top of that, with 40% margin, I will sell $140 to my customer, right? So whatever may be transactions you performed, end of the day, you have to transfer to costing. How you will transfer to costing? You have to run pre-seeded programs. We will come to know. You will come to know what are the programs we have to run. All those details in further session. So that means almost in each and every module, supply chain module, right? SCM module will get involved here. Integrated with your manufacturing, and it will get the data from different modules, and all this, as all are Oracle products only, internally it is integrated, so you no need to do any extra activities, further activities. Now if we move to next slide, so this is the place where what are the business processes manufacturing is going to support, we will discuss. So this is just on high level. In detail we will discuss. So it will support your in-house operations. Means again in-house means where you are producing your finished goods, right? In your manufacturing plant. Either manufacturing means work order, right? You can create manually. Means I require 100 laptops. What your production supervisor, what he will do, production operator, whoever working, he will create work order for 100 laptops. So as per work order, he will start the production, right? That is the official document to him. Or else, if you implemented planning, right, based on your demand and forecast, planning only will initiate, right? Planning only once you release the recommendation. So that data will go to through SEO. In SEO, supply order will get created. That supply order will get converted as a manufacturing work order. So once work order are created, you will perform the transactions, means work order processes. Then after completing, your finished good will go to inventory, and finally end of the day, everything it has to move to costing. We will see this. And it will support back-to-back sales orders. In back-to-back sales orders, what will happen? You won't maintain any on-hand quantity. Means I won't maintain any laptop. In our example, I will go with laptop. Okay. So we won't maintain any on-hand quantity. Whenever I got the order from customer, then I will start the production. Maybe one customer, he ordered 100 laptops. So as I received order from 100 laptops, then I will start the production of 100 laptops. Once production is completed, then those 100 laptops I will ship to the customer. That is what your back-to-back sales order. So you will receive the order, right? In order management, your GOP, that is the GOP, order promising is part of order management. It will schedule your sales order. So as you are not having on-hand quantity, what it will happen? Your order will go to SEO. In SEO, your order will get converted as a supply order. That supply order later will get converted as a work order. Once work order is created, right, my production team, they will start the processing of this manufacturing work order. Once work order is completed, now I am having on-hand quantity available in inventory. Now I will ship that 100 laptop to my customer, right? That is what back-to-back sales order. That means you won't maintain any on-hand quantity. As per the demand, whenever you receive the order, customer order, then you will start the production. And it will support configure items also. Yes, configure item, again, it is part of, we will see, OEM and everything, how to CTO, PTO, ATO, kit items, all those things we will do. See, basically in configure, anyway, on high level, we will discuss. In detail, we will discuss in a specific topic. So in configure item, what will happen? If you see right here, I am not giving any options, right? In standard item. But let's assume if you are giving an option, for example, best example, if you go to pizza shop, right? So he may ask you whether you want cheese or not. That means what? Based on your customer requirement, he is manufacturing the product. Similarly, in configure to order, you will configure your manufacturing team. They will provide you, for example, if you go to maybe car showroom, by default, they will give you one car with 4 wheels, engine, right, body, everything. But on top of that one, if you want extra accessories, that means what? You are customizing, right? You are giving the options. I want 4 airbags. Okay. I want 4 power windows. I want back AC. Or maybe I want some stickering or something, color change. I need maybe alloy wheel. So that means what? You are customizing the whatever maybe product your customer is selling. You are manufacturing, right? Whoever maybe supplier is selling, you are customizing. That means you are configuring. Based on your configuration, I will start the production. That is what configure to order. Yes, it will support. We will see as part of CTO process, right? We will discuss ATO, PTO, kit also we will discuss. Then it will support outside processing. Outside processing, nothing but I will perform all the operations in my warehouse. Maybe on 1 or 2 operations, I am not a specialized. So in that case, what will happen? I will procure those services to my suppliers. So for that, I will do the payment to him. That means if to complete any product, let's assume 10 operations I have to complete. Maybe 7 operations I will do in my warehouse only. 3 operations I will ask my supplier to complete. So that means I am procuring the material from outside of my organization. That is what outside processing. Yes, it will support lot of features are there in outside processing. We will discuss. So it is procurement also involved here as you are procuring the service from supplier. We will discuss outside processing also. And we are having contract manufacturing. So here in this case, what will happen? We won't manufacturing any item in our manufacturing plant. I will outsource completely. That means I will ask my supplier. I will give the requirement. This is what, right? I need 2 terabyte hard disk, maybe so and so i5, i7 processor, and for 14 inches screen. Like that, I will give my requirement for a laptop. So my supplier will contract manufacturing. They will manufacture and they will hand over to me. And again, during this manufacturing, multiple options you are having. Who will provide one of the feature is who will provide the raw material. Whether you will provide the raw material, yes, you will provide the raw material. Your manufacturing, contract manufacturing, just simply they will manufacture. Or else you won't provide any material, everything raw material, everything your contract manufacturer only will procure raw material and he will produce the final product. Simply final product he will ship to you. So that is what contract manufacturing. We will see both options. So it will support contract manufacturing also, it will support. So these are the main, right, business process. It will support all these business process. We are going to discuss in detail in further sessions. So any questions on? But anyway, just to give you on high level only. Any questions? Okay. If no questions, let's see now. Let's start manufacturing. We will start the configuration. What are the steps, setups required? Everything we will start now.